With the continuous development of technology, the 4G network has quietly ended. The 5G networks are gradually becoming popular. Our life is inseparable from mobile phones, and mobile phones have become an important element in our lives. The global smartphone market will continue to maintain rapid growth, and the mobile phone repair service market will usher in another trillion market, ushered in a rare development opportunity. SunShine, since its establishment in 1998, it has been focusing on the field of mobile phone repair tools for over 20 years. We are one of the earliest companies engaged in the research and development and production of mobile phone repair tools. We have a strong product development team, which owns SunShine, Relife, SS, and other product brands, and also acts as an agent for internationally renowned brand products such as Quick and SunShine Tools Store Experience System, Social App Maintenance Platform System, and at the same time with Fixed Mobile Phone Repair Global Chain brand to establish a strategic partnership. As the world's leading one-stop service platform for mobile phone repair tools, its current business scope covers more than 100 countries and regions around the world, providing services to more than 300,000 users. The product scale reaches more than 5,000 products in 10 categories, covering the mobile phone repair process, the various tooling needs required. Qualified and young staff team is a powerful guarantee for customer satisfaction. In the future, we will work harder, more carefully, more focused, and always care about your every need. Advanced and mature brand franchise system. Salesman's first-class brand management concept. Strong and complete product system support. Let your cooperation worry-free. Easy to achieve market expansion. SunShine, 8 advantages open the way to create wealth and develop the mobile phone repair industry chain with you. Brand advantage. Standardized brand design, unified and standardized price system. The first to create a mobile phone repair tool industry brand monopoly system. To build a global leading brand. Advantages. Perfect product system, more than 5,000 products, with maintenance equipment, maintenance tools, maintenance supplies, maintenance parts. 4 categories. Build a new design, one-stop, good quality product system. Good products, find SunShine, has become the consensus of the majority of users around the world. Channel promotion. To create online and offline omni-channel promotion advantages for partners. Enterprise official website, Alibaba, Facebook, Youku, YouTube, official accounts, product exhibition hall, flagship store, specialty store, counter, exhibition, live room, to build a school enterprise cooperation system at home and abroad, to support the industry's top technical seminars. Let you sell worry-free, easy to make money. Technical advantages. We have a senior research and development team and a strong manufacturing chain, constantly absorbing the latest global information, continuously developing new products, and ensuring that partners have access to the latest information in technology. Cooperation concept. Adhere to branded wholesale. Adhere to the principle of honesty and cooperation, mutual benefit and win-win. Adhere to the achievement of partners. The success of partners is the success of SunShine. One-stop service. Strive to build the most comprehensive product system in the industry. Provide users with one-stop shopping service. Select tools, choose SunShine. Team advantage. High quality and professional staff team is your development backing, adhering to the integrity, development, sharing and win-win value system. advocating the development concept of people-oriented, happy work, embrace change, dedication and gratitude, fully guarantee your rights and value each and every one of your needs. SunShine, more than 20 years of focus, more than 5,000 products, more than 2,000 professional training, serving more than 300,000 global excellent service technicians, products radiating more than 100 countries and regions. SunShine, the master of global mobile phone repair. In the future, we will work together with you to share the trillion market for mobile phone repair. We will be the best supply platform for the mobile phone repair tool industry. SunShine, born for you.